Hello, everybody. It's Leonardo from Gospel Boat. Today I want to introduce you an 11.6-meter passenger boat. Uh, and the 11.6-meter boat, this customer is from Ethiopia, Africa. The customer ordered four boats together, and one have been delivered, and the remaining three is here. You can see the side rubber fenders, the rain cover for the rainy season. And the front is a forward cabin with a better view. All of the boat is made of marine grade aluminum, which is strong and fuel efficient. As a business, as a commercial boat for passengers, the aluminum boat will save you a lot of money on fuel costs, and also a lot of money for maintenance and repairing. And here is a very nice ladder for passengers. For also can be used for diving, for swimming. When you come aboard, there's a lot of bench seats for passengers, and the cover of the seat, a lot of storage space for life jackets, for small articles. To make the cabin more comfortable, we also installed the generator to put it here, and an RV air conditioner inside. Now let me show you inside the cabin. Inside the cabins, the floor is made of EVA, or we call it the synthetic thick floor, which is very comfortable and beautiful. And the port side is a bathroom with a nice sliding door, totally customized, very nice quality, with electric toilet, with hand basins. We can put a shower in if you need. And then the other space will be filled with passenger seats. So each seat, the width is good enough for two passengers. With handrest, with nice cushions for backrest rest, and for seat, very nice and marine grade synthetic leather. The whole boat can carry at most 30 passengers, which is a very good options and good space for passengers, and they improve the the efficiency and make more money for the owner. And here is the Matic air conditioner, so make the inside very comfortable with two skylights on the top for ventilation and the better sunshine. And the top also decorated with synthetic leather and sponge. The side of the panel, the side of the wall is decorated with aluminum honeycomb panels and also golden edges for the connection part. This kind of decoration makes the whole boat very beautiful. And when you look at the dashboard, the hydraulic steering, the Garmin radar with the GPS, with the depth sounder, and also with VHF, and the New Zealand brand, Fusion brand music player, give this boat a more recreational function. And here's the front door with two more folding seats for more passengers, and a better view for the captain. And the passengers can also come here for sightseeing, for better view of the lakes, the rivers, the seas, islands, everything. here I finished all the introduction of this nice passenger boat. Please tell me if you need more information, and I will put my email, WhatsApp, and WeChat down. Thank you.